What's happening, guys? As you know, I'm a gearhead, so you know what? I've got time. Let's start doing gear reviews. For this review, I'm gonna be reviewing the meat stick. I can't say that without giggling like a 16-year-old boy. It is a wireless digital thermometer. Works with your smartphone. It actually just lives in the piece of meat or protein or whatever that you're trying to cook, and it gives you a real-time accurate temperature, and you can set goals for it. But I'm gonna play with it and tell you what I honestly think about it. There's an extender to extend range, so 69 bucks for the meat stick by itself, 89 bucks for the entire kit. Let's play with it, see what I think about it, and I'll give you an honest, no BS review. Put in 2 AAA batteries in each, click the green button on the meat stick housing, fire up the extender, and then go to your cell phone. App is downloaded. I've added the extender and the meat stick via Bluetooth, and they're both set up. It's basically time to cook. It was really easy. So with everything paired, I'll take the meat stick. I'm trying to find the fleshiest part of this half chicken, and I'm going into the fleshiest part of the thigh, not hitting a bone. And I'm pretty happy right there. You could also do the breast if you want. Back in the app, you set the type of cooking, the type of protein, and here I'm gonna do poultry, specifically chicken, and I want it for 160 degrees, and then it's creating the profile. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna roast the bird at about 375 here, and as you can see, the color changes as the temperature gradually rises until it hits a target, and it gives me an alert. I really dig how it's visual, and it'll also give me an audible tone. This thing's working really well. Once I hit the temp, chicken looks great. Well, so many bad jokes. I played with the meat stick. I actually cooked a half roasted chicken from about 60 feet away. It gave me real-time readings. It worked as an alarm. So how do I sum it up? The meat stick does what it promises, and it does it quite well, actually. I had no real issues. So I would recommend this as a buy. I really dug it. So if $69 or $89 is reasonable for you to have some peace of mind far away from the thing you're cooking, I think it's a good product. All right, well, post your questions and comments below, and I'm gonna try to do way more of these fun gadget reviews. See you later.